In this lecture, we're going to show what is the difference between driving and driven dimensions. So here we have a front view on the left side and on the right side. On the left side, we have here dimensions in the black, and on the right side, we have dimensions in the gray color. On the left side, those dimensions are called driving dimensions, and those one on the right side, we call driven dimensions. Now, what is the difference really between those two types of dimensions? For example, if we go here to the diameter of 50 millimeters and we double click here, and we change this diameter to 50 millimeters, nothing happens. But if we go here to rebuild, let's click rebuild. Now we can see that those changes are applied to our model dimensions. And this is driving dimension. If we go to driven dimension, if we double click here, you see that we can't change it. We can go here to the left side to the properties, and here we can override value. For example, now we have 50, we can go to 60, for example. Let's click OK. And now here we have a 60. But if we go now here to rebuild, nothing happens. The model dimensions are not changed. So driving dimensions are dimensions that are affecting the dimension of the model, while driven dimensions don't affect model dimensions. They're only used as a reference or representation of the model dimensions. So again, if we go here to driving dimension, double click, we go here to 55, for example, let's click OK. Let's go with rebuild. Like this. So here we have 55. As well, here we have 55, but we can go here and we can uncheck override value. Let's click OK. And now we can see it's 55.